Trump asks the Supreme Court to end birthright citizenship. The Trump administration has asked the Supreme Court to review its policy restricting birthright citizenship. If it's successful, this could actually fundamentally change who is considered an American citizen under the 14th Amendment. In January 2025, President Trump issued an executive order which would deny automatic U.S. citizenship to children born on U.S. soil if their parents are undocumented immigrants or temporary visa holders. Federal courts quickly blocked the order, issuing injunctions in several states. Now the administration has filed a formal petition to the Supreme Court asking the justices to overturn those injunctions and uphold the policy. At the heart of this case is the 14th Amendment Citizenship Clause, which says all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens. For over a century, courts have interpreted this to mean nearly everyone born in the U.S. automatically a U.S. citizen, if their parents are immigrants without legal status. Trump's legal team argues that subject to the jurisdiction thereof excludes children of undocumented immigrants and short-term visitors. And of course, people are opposing to this point. They're stating a landmark case, Wong Kim Ark versus United States, 1898, which affirmed birthright citizenship for the children of immigrants. So the federal judges in Washington, Massachusetts, Maryland, and New Hampshire all blocked the policy, saying it is likely violates the Constitution. The Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals also rejected the Trump's request to lift one of the injunctions. In June 2025, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a related ruling on nationwide injunctions limiting their scope, but it did not decide on the core question of birthright citizenship. Advocacy groups then filed a class action lawsuit, and in July, a New Hampshire judge issued a broader injunction covering all affected children. If the Supreme Court sides with Trump, hundreds of thousands of children born in the U.S. each year could be denied citizenship. Families would face legal uncertainty, deportation risks, and loss of basic rights. If the court strikes it down, birthright citizenship, as we have known for it for more than 125 years, would remain intact. This case also raises bigger questions. Can a president use an executive order to reinterpret the Constitution, or does that power belong only to the courts and Congress? Bottom line, the Trump administration have asked the Supreme Court to uphold restrictions on birthright citizenship, and the justices have not yet ruled, but the decision could reshape immigration, citizenship, and constitutional law in America. We will share with our followers the latest news or development we have about this, and have a great day. This is Attorney Ogmen.